guys, good news. Hoover is back to life because we have to speak for this because it's after we came home, currently the last time the PCS was a mask. So currently we did like 50 watches on the spot this open, so I can't record it all of it. It was because I don't want to show you something about it. So you might be like flying my iPad on, you know. That's it. So currently like the video or else this part or else it goes like that. So we will do it. Here it is the back door manager has. So currently we have a party. Like it is right under there. We have to prepare that. We have prepared the display because something was running on it. And currently right there we have prepared just a PCB where you can hear something because you can choose here, just a very big smash. As you can see, so it's in right here. I couldn't even know why this was fixed because I repaired it very quickly. I repaired this was like 5 minutes now and currently when I came home, that's just like 5 minutes ago and then when he texted me, I'm currently, he said that the TV repaired something was broken. So we're currently came to my son's house because there's a dirt quick I repaired Samsung. Samsung is a very good washer, you know. I think it is a very bad water. But currently this one is okay, but I don't like all of the models, but this one is okay. So yeah. I don't know why that I love this model so much as a state. So yeah. I might be doing this is like a 500 here. And it's just for the dog socket. So I can't find the socket. So yeah, good news. So yeah, that's a good news.